Hello and welcome to Knowing the Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards for BDAS 12, Government Grants and Other Government Assistance. My name is Fatin and I will be your vocal guide for today. BDAS 12 is divided into two categories such as BDAS 12.1 Government Grants and BDAS 12.2 Government Assistance. BDAS 12.1 is defined as government grants should be recognized as income over the periods necessary to match with the related costs they are intended to compensate. BDAS 12.2 on the other hand is briefly described as loans at nil or low interest rates are a form of government assistance. Moving on to the scenario sample for BDAS 12.1, which is to record government grants. Ministry of Home Affairs Brunei provides government grants assistance to Brunei Museum in the form of monetary assistance at $50,000. Accounting entries for recording notification of government grants will be debit the accounts receivable for $50,000 and credit the contribution revenue for the same amount. Accounting entries will only be recorded during the receiving of government grants, which is the second accounting entries where cash is debited with $50,000. This is how the sample entry is being drafted out in Accounting Plus under Journal Entries. Do note the journal ID generated by the system for your future reference. Next, under BDAS 12.2 is to record government assistance. Let's assume the following scenario. Ministry of Development Brunei provides government assistance to Brunei Museum to rebuild the museum building in the form of loans at low interest rates. The interest paid is $1,200 annually and loan payable $60,000 for 5 years. Accounting entries for recording the receipt of funds in the relation to government assistance in the form of loans at low interest rates will be debit the cash for $60,000 and credit the loan payable for the same amount. Interest paid for the month is $100 over the 5 years period. Government assistance in the form loans will be repayable over 5 years, which is $1,000 per month and $12,000 per year. This is a journal entry transaction. Now let's see how this journal entry is being drafted out in Accounting Plus. Completed journal entry transaction will look like this, where debit the cash with Brunei dollars 60,000 and credit the loan payable with the same amount. If you need more help, guidance, or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for BDAS 12, Government Grants and Other Government Assistance.